there's Leah.
There's Michael.
How's your coffee?
Good. That's like Folgers with you.
Hey, we are rolling through the Rio Grande Valley in Texas, down towards Brownsville. We're not going to go into Brownsville today. We're going down to another town called Hartington, I think. And from there, it's a jump-off point to go to the launch of the Starship 8. Muskie's going to launch to their hood.
Not the Enterprise?
No, not the Enterprise. No, that launched back in the 60s with Spock and all them guys. Yeah, so that's our plan. This is Thursday, so Friday tomorrow we'll be set up in the beach park down there. And it's about 5 miles from the launch site, so hopefully they launch and don't scrub it, right?
Right.
I've had enough of that scrubbing stuff.
Oh, yeah, we've been
I'll have to write a letter to Musk and say, hey, stop scrubbing that stuff. Anyway, that's the plan.
Okay.
Later. Hey, there's Leah down there. How come you're so low?
Oh, I was just
Are you getting shorter?
Yes. And wider.
Are you getting tired of you getting tired of Texas barbecue?
No.
Okay,
I
so
never
you
get tired of mine.
want to do some more then?
Yes.
Let's go have some.
Okay.
Well, it's not much of a storefront, but the barbecue is supposed to be good and the parking lot is full. So let's go see what we got.
And right here, yeah.
Okay, so order your deal. You like that cool, huh? So they order your deal there. And then, oh, they even have a bar over there. Okay, let's see. Oh, good. How are you? Let's see. We first time here, so we need to study a little bit here.
Do y'all have any questions about the menu?
That's the whole menu up there.
Yeah. There are some other things on the board up there that are our specialty items.
Oh, okay, you want to go look at the specials? Might take us a minute or two. Sorry if I film you guys.
No, got it.
Got a YouTube channel. We like good barbecue. How long has this place been here?
8 years. Yeah, about 8 years.
Oh, that's all.
Give or
Okay.
take.
Oh, okay, cool. And then there's a Mexican next door, huh?
Yes, sir.
Are they owned by the same people?
No.
Oh, okay.
Separate owners.
I'll have to try those next time.
Actually, go.
They had some good looking brisket there.
This is a
How long do you smoke that brisket for?
This will probably work for about 11 to 12 hours.
Oh, okay. Very nice smoke. It looks good.
I got Lay's, Fritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, Lasers. Anything else? That'll be it. Up here? Yes, sir.
That's a little over a pound at 1.04.
Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of brisket there.
That is a lot of brisket. That's going to just...
Leah's chomping at the bit. Chomping her lip, licking her smacks. Yeah, pretty neat atmosphere in here. And a full bar there. Yeah, these are different beans. They got cilantro in them. Onion, piece of brisket. Very good though. That brisket's like, whoa.
Tender. Whoa, look at that.
Thick ones there, isn't it?
Look at that.
It's like a steak, one steak.
Yeah.